Hello, Kenchi Alice.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know what, Kenchi? I like your necklace.
What?
I like your necklace.
Here?
Yeah. Who bought it?
My mom.
It's very nice. Do you wear that also in school?
Yes.
It looks good. It's very nice. Okay. How are you today, Kenchi?
I'm fine.
Very good. So what are you eating?
Meat.
Meat? What kind of meat? Is that your food for this dinner? Is that your food for tonight? Meat? Okay. So let's begin our activity tonight. Okay, so let's have speaking activity. So look at the picture, Kenchi, and find the differences.
To circle.
You want to circle?
Please.
Okay, you circle. And then later you explain your answers, okay?
Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so now explain your answers.
The girl is short head and the long hair.
Okay, next.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Red dress, no. Purple dress and green shirt.
Okay. Next.
Grass.
Mm-hmm.
4 and 3. Dad. Aunt?
What's that?
What's that?
What do you call that? So the first difference is their dress. It's purple and green. What's next? Hair.
And they're eating flower and grass.
Okay, that's 3.
And 3 and 4. What on the people head?
It's a fly.
Fly.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's 4.
And a rainbow and sun.
Okay, that's 5. So the first one is the dress. Next is the hippo's food. Next is the fly on the head. Next is the hair of the girl. And last one is the rainbow and the sun. So let us check. Okay, so here are some answers. The girl has got long hair, but this girl's hair is short. Describe 4 other differences. 3 and 4 flies, purple and green dress, hippo eating grass and flowers, and there is a sun and rainbow. That is correct. Okay. So you got 5 points here. Okay, now Kenshi, let's have here some questions. Let's talk about your home and family. Okay, question number 1. How many people are there in your family?
Let's talk about how many people. 4.
Hmm. How many people are there in your family?
4.
Okay, who are these people?
Right.
Okay. Dad, mom, Tom, me, and Biang. Oh, so that's 5 persons in your family. But you gave, oh, you said 4, but you gave me 5 persons. So it's dad, mom, Tom, you, and teacher. Wow, that's so sweet. Okay, so next one, Kanchi. What do you do at home after school?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
I swim.
Oh, okay. So when you go home after school, you swim in your swimming pool.
Yeah.
Oh, is it not cold?
It's not cold.
It's not cold. Okay. Okay, how about Tom? Is he swimming too?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Okay, so what time do you do your homework?
How about only Friday have?
Ah, okay. So Monday to Thursday you got no homework, but Friday you have a homework, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next question. Who do you play with at home?
All right.
Okay.
Wait.
Mom, Mom, Tom, me, and teacher Biang. Oh, so when you get home, you play with dad, mom, and Tom, and also teacher Biang.
Now it's not Doma's dad.
Oh, who? Ah, okay, there's no dad. It's Tom, mom, you, and me, right? Okay,
Yes.
that's very good. So, what do you play with Tom?
Yes.
Chess. Oh, really? You know how to play a chess?
Yeah.
Very good. Because I know that is a hard it's a hard sport or game. Is that correct? Is it a hard sport or a game?
It's a game.
Yeah, it's a game, but I think that's very hard to play. Because teacher doesn't know how to play it, so I think it's hard. Okay,
It's not hard.
it's not hard. Okay, so next one. Tell me something about your favorite toy, Kenchi. What's your
Okay.
favorite toy?
Doll. I will.
Mm-hmm.
What? I don't know. Right. Doll.
You don't know how?
D-O-L-L.
Yes,
D-O-L.
that is correct. DOLL.
Toy car.
Mm-hmm.
Robot. Chess. I don't know. Right. Chess.
Chess is CHESS.
Chess. Um. Sticker.
Sticker.
Yes.
Okay, so how do you spell sticker?
I don't like sticker. Mhm.
Oh, you spell it as STI
T-I-C-K.
CKER.
Sticker. I like sticker.
Okay, can I see it?
Uh, bu- Definition now.
Oh, where? I cannot see it.
Look.
Okay. Teacher Biang, doll, toy car, robot, chess, and sticker. Okay, so that is your favorite toys. Okay.
Teacher Bireng is my favorite toy.
Yeah, I know it because you always make fun of Teacher Biang. Oh, that's why I know I know I am your favorite toy. Next one. How many people again are there in your family?
I can write.
Okay.
Look. Look.
5. Okay, so who are these people?
I can write.
Okay.
No.
Okay, it's Dad, Tom, me, and Teacher Biang. Wow, that's very nice. So, do you have any sister or brother?
Tom is my brother.
Yeah, Tom is your brother. Okay. So now, these pictures are some members of your family, okay? So who do you think is the first one in the picture?
I see. I can write.
Okay.
Look.
Teacher Biang and her son. Okay. But I don't have a son. Maybe that is Tom. Because Teacher Bian has no son, only daughters.
Oh, it's not. It's just thinking. It's not real.
Yeah, okay. So how about the second picture? Who is it?
I don't know right daughter.
Okay, it's D-A-U.
Wait. D-A?
A-U.
U.
G-H.
G-H.
T-E-R.
T-E-R.
Teacher Biang, son and daughter. Okay, so how about the third one?
Look, you can see it.
Teacher Biang dad. Okay. So that is Teacher Biang's dad. Oh, how about the last one? Who is that on the picture?
Sister and baby.
Okay, so you write it sister and baby.
I don't know my sister.
Sister is S-I-S-T-E-R.
Okay.
Okay, where's your answer now? Teacher Biang sister and Teacher Biang baby. Oh, okay. That's good. So the first one is Teacher Biang and son. Next, Teacher Biang and son and daughter. Next, Teacher Biang dad. Next is Teacher Biang sister and Teacher Biang baby. Okay. All right. So wait a minute, Kenji. I'll just go to the restroom. Wait for me. Okay. So now, Kenji, let's have the next one.
Yes.
Who do you play with at home?
Can I write again?
Okay. You have to choose sister or brother or mom and dad. You have to choose.
Okay. And then Mm, no brothers. 1, 2, 3, and me. And one more is you know.
No.
Hey, teacher.
Oh, it's teacher Biang. Okay. Next one. So look at the picture, Kenchi, and tell a story. Okay, so uh, so what do you mean is on the first picture?
I don't know. No.
You can guess.
No, I don't like.
Why? So what do you think is the picture one all about? Hmm?
I don't know.
Oh, you just have to look.
I don't know.
Oh, so the first picture, what happened?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so the first one, there are two girls on the park. The girl with a violet shirt saw a coat in the grass, so she picked it up. Okay, so second picture. All right, so on the second picture, she was playing, okay? She was playing with her friends and then suddenly she saw a girl who's wearing the same coat as the one that she picked up earlier. So, she's saying that she picked it up at the grass, okay? So, the fourth picture, it says that, oh, they have both kind of jacket. So, it's not the jacket that she found on the grass. It means it's different. Okay. So now can she find the different picture? Picture number one, which one is different?
Book.
Okay, why book?
Because it's book.
Why? Why book?
Because it's book.
Because it's book and not?
It's book.
Okay, very good. Picture number two, which one is different?
A girl.
Okay, next, number
A
three.
dog.
Okay, correct.
Panda.
And a panda. Okay. Okay, so you got 4 points right here. Okay, wait, Kenji, I will just get a water. Okay, wait. Teacher's very thirsty.
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed to the next one.
Yay!
Oh, all right. So we are finished in the first part.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm going to open the next activity. Okay, okay. Okay, here it is.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so can you read the title of our lesson, Kenji? What is this lesson? Read it, please.
Outdoor activity.
Okay, outdoor activity. Okay, so before that, let's have our first activity. It's activity 1, warm up. So this is a story about on the mountain. Okay, so now Kenji, you have to read a story and choose your answers from the yellow box. Okay, start reading now.
Yes. My dad and I are going hiking today.
Hiking.
Hiking today.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to the mountain. My dad is wearing hiking boots. He is carrying a cane too. I am wearing long. I am wearing a sun hat.
Mm-hmm.
A small backpack.
Okay, continue.
The air is great and clean. The weather is great too.
Okay, very good. So, the first answer is he is carrying a cane too, and the next one is I have a small backpack. Very good, 2 points. Okay, so let's have the next one. Oh, okay, so it says here, warm up, activity B, read and match. Okay, so you have to match 2 sentences, okay? You want to draw a line?
Finn and his dad all go hiking today.
Hiking.
Hiking today. Finn is wearing long pants.
Okay, last one.
Fresh and clean.
Okay, very good. This is very easy. Okay, 3 points for you. Okay, now let's have here some vocabulary word or word practice, okay? So can you read the words first? Can you read the words on the picture? Skiing. What's next?
Cave.
Cave. Cave exploring.
Exploring.
Okay, so what do you mean by exploring?
I don't know.
Okay, exploring means you have to go inside it to know what can you see there. Okay, so that means that is what exploring means. Okay, so the next picture.
Riding.
Yes, bike riding. Okay, so how about you, Kenchi? Do you have your bike?
What?
Do you have a bike?
Yes.
Very good. So when you so when do you usually play your bike? When do you usually play your bike? Mm. Do you play your bike on weekends?
Yes.
Okay. So very good. Has Tom also got a bike?
Yeah.
So what is the color of Tom's bike?
Green.
Green, and yours is? What's the color of your?
Is weather.
Again? You chat it.
Weather.
Starts with letter P. Oh, maybe that's purple.
No.
Maybe that's
Pink.
pink. So when it's not purple, then it's color pink. Okay, good job. Okay, so next one. Okay, so now Kenji, you have to choose your answer from the box. Skiing, cave exploring, camping, or bike riding. Okay, so number 1, read and choose your answer.
My family is going camping.
Camping. Okay, next.
My family is going cave or exploring.
Cave exploring. Okay, next one.
My family is going skiing.
Skiing. And last one, number 4.
My family is going riding a bike.
Bike riding or riding a bike is correct. Okay. All right. So now, Kenchi, these are another words. Word practice. Okay.
Bag. Closet. Helmet.
Mm-hmm.
Key.
Again.
Chicky.
Hiking boots. Okay. Next one.
Lantern.
Okay.
Ski jacket.
Mm-hmm.
Ski blank.
And last one is
A cane.
a cane. Okay. Yes.
You color. Backpack. A helmet. Hiking boot. Lantern. Sky jacket.
That's so
Sky
plenty.
pants. You color this. I will circle. Toot,
That's so plenty.
toot, toot,
Are you sure?
toot. You color it.
Okay.
and backpack too. And I only color a can.
That's so plenty. Teacher can only color 2.
No, you color
Mm.
7.
So it's
You
8. It's 8 pictures. So I will color 4 and you will color 4. Okay?
You color above and I color.
Okay.
Okay.
I will color all the things above. Okay?
Beautiful coloring.
Okay, I'm finished with 1.
I finished with 2.
Really?
Look.
Maybe you're too fast. Okay, next one.
How fast than you.
Okay, last one.
I'm finished.
Oh, wait for me. I'm not yet finished.
I'm finished.
This one is my last
I'm
one.
finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. Ooh, I'm finished. Ooh, I'm finished.
Yes, me too.
I'm finished first. I win. I win.
Okay, so now let us see our color. Okay, don't erase. Oh, there is no oh, I can see your colors. Can you see mine?
No.
Why? But here, I can see it. But here, it's not. But your colors are here. But mine is not here.
Erase.
Oh, look at me. It's here. My colors are here.
Erase. Oh. And
Okay.
you color this. Let's color and then learn. You color above. No, you color. I color above. Okay. No,
Oh,
color. Mm, I color. Wait, I will circle.
okay.
Wait, I color. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you put your answer first. Put a line first on your
3.
answer.
I color 4 and you color 4. Okay.
Mm.
I
You
want to color first.
you put your line your answer first. Before we color. Do you want to color?
First.
Okay, I'll color first. What picture are you going to color?
You color. I color. I take it and I color that. Okay. Color now.
What will I color?
Backpack.
Backpack again?
Skirt boot. Jacket. And a helmet.
Mm-hmm.
You color that.
Yeah, wait. I'm choosing a color.
Beautiful coloring.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
It's ugly.
You wait for it. It's beautiful, not ugly.
It's very ugly.
No.
It's very ugly.
Oh, see? It's beautiful now.
It's ugly.
Okay, what else will I color?
Ski boot.
Ski boots. What is it?
Ski boot.
Ski boot.
Yes.
What else?
Ski jacket.
What else?
Wait, I will tell you. A helmet.
Okay, I'm finished with the jacket. Next one is the helmet.
A helmet. Finish.
Are you finished
Not
with everything?
finished.
Oh, you
No,
will
not
color the
finished.
lampshade or the flashlight.
I don't like.
Why? It must be yours. I'm finished with 3 pictures now.
4.
4. Yeah, it's 4. I'm done with 4 pictures.
I'm not done.
Mm-hmm.
You is ugly coloring.
Finish coloring?
No.
Oh, faster. Okay, finish?
No.
Faster, because teacher has to go to my class. Finish coloring?
No. Finished.
Okay, very good. All right, so let's continue again our class, can't you, on Saturday? No. Yeah, Saturday. Okay. So see you again on
Alright.
Saturday. Oh, wait, let's see. Let's see it.